Format of my daily vlogs. I share my exercise for the day, I answer questions from the previous day's vlogs, and then I talk about whatever topic that I want to talk about for the day. So feel free to use the timestamps below as you see fit. Exercise for the day. Just got done with some bodyweight pull-ups, ended up doing 3 sets of bodyweight times 22 reps per set. And 22 reps per set today felt very, very hard. A couple weeks ago, I was doing bodyweight times 28 reps per set for 3 sets. And yeah, I don't know what it is. I still feel a little bit tired from the couple days that I spent at my parents' place eating and just not doing my normal exercise. I was only able to run 1 mile on one of the days, and then yesterday I came back to reset, went on a 4-mile run to hopefully reset, but I wasn't able to fully reset because obviously today I still feel a little bit lethargic, a little bit tired. And also, before I did the pull-ups, which may add to the hardness of the pull-ups, just got back from my 7-mile run. I'm going to throw the map up here, splits up here. And the 7-mile run was actually at a pretty decent pace too. It was a little bit under 9 minutes per mile, which is pretty decent pace for me. And I've been putting off my runs. It's just been an odd week. I was supposed to go on a long run this week. That didn't happen. I was supposed to do a half marathon this week as well, and that didn't happen. So I'll actually be doing that half marathon tomorrow, and Wednesday will be July 1st, which will be the first day of my calendar club challenge, in which I will be running the respective miles on whatever that day is. So July 1st, run 1, July 31st, run 31, and everything in between. Whew! Let's get to some questions. The first question comes from Augie Silver Fitness. He asked, what is the most serious injury that you've ever had, whether that's in exercise or not? Luckily, I've never ever been seriously injured, knock on wood. The worst thing that's ever happened to me injury-wise is that I sprained my middle finger in jiu-jitsu. I was rolling with someone, they hopped over me, they landed on my middle finger, and then my middle finger was sprained for about 6 months. I couldn't close my middle finger all the way like this. The furthest that I could close for like 6 months is that, and that's the worst thing that's ever happened. Chester asked, do you have a specific meal after each run? Yes, for the most part. The only day that I don't have a specific meal after is my long run days. For everything else, I'll usually have a protein shake after I come back, hop in the shower, get out of the shower, and then cook my black bean burger, sandwich, whatever you want to call it. I usually have that with chips and carrots. Geekoto Dang asked, if you could choose to be a full-time real estate agent or a full-time YouTuber, which one would it be? Honestly, I would probably have to choose full-time real estate agent just because when I think about how much money that I could make, and again, it's not all about money, though money does provide that freedom that I want. I think being a real estate agent has a higher ceiling. Not saying that YouTubers can't make a lot of money, but it's really hard for me to see a YouTuber making $1 million, $2 million, or even $10 million from their YouTube channel. Though at the same time, if you get to be that big of a YouTuber, you could probably make a lot of money selling your own merch, doing ads, and a bunch of other stuff, sponsorships. So, but I probably would choose, again, full-time real estate agent. Though if I could mix the two, full-time real estate agent and a part to full-time YouTuber, that's the goal. Corey Steiner says that his fall marathon may be canceled, and he follows up with the question, what's your thoughts on working towards a pretty respectable 5K time versus slightly better than average marathon performance? It would be up to you and what your ultimate goal is. 5K versus marathon are two very different training plans, and really it's up to your goals. I don't think that you could go wrong either way, to be honest with you, because you're going to be out there, you're going to be running, you're going to be working your cardiovascular system, and it's good for your overall heart health and health in general. For me personally, I gear more towards the marathon and ultra marathon lane because that's what I'm all about. You just have to figure out which one that you want more. The Fit Rush asks, how has your daily vlogging helped you in the following? 1, as a content creator, and 2, to help you grow your channel as compared to pre-daily vlogs. Number 1, as a content creator, when I am creating daily vlogs, obviously I am putting in work daily. That means speaking to the camera, that means editing, that means lighting, that means thumbnails, that means everything centered around YouTube. So one, I am honing my craft and I am getting better at an exponential rate. Part two, how has it helped grow your channel? I feel, and I'm not 100% sure on this, that the YouTube algorithm has really worked in my favor because I'm coming out with daily videos. It really pushes out my channel, my videos, my content to other people and recommends it to other people. Because I am coming out with daily videos, that means more likes, that means more comments, and the more likes and more comments that you have, the more likely that the YouTube algorithm works in your favor. Also, tangent, for all you small YouTubers out there, keep trucking along. Once you get to 800 and especially 1,000, there's this magical thing that happens if you don't buy your subscribers, if you don't use ads to get your subscribers. If you do it the natural way, the YouTube algorithm really likes that. At least this is from my own perspective. And this social proof is a real thing. Once people see that you are a serious YouTuber, you have 800 subscribers, you have 1,000 subscribers, it is a lot less work to get those subscribers because people see your channel like, oh, okay, there must be something with this channel because they have 800 and now they have 1K, because that 1K looks really clean. At least this is from my own head and my own perspective, though the social proof is real. Because I remember when I was 100 or even 500 or less, it was a lot of work to get those initial subscribers. And I really think that it's an exponential thing. When people see a larger number by your name, they're like, okay, let me at least give this more of a chance than someone who has 15 subscribers. So keep trucking along. Marcus asked, where did you get that backpack? I believe he is referring to my running vest. I got the running vest off Amazon. I don't even know how to pronounce it correctly. And about Amazon, I actually been working on getting an updated Amazon affiliate link. I don't know what's wrong with it. I signed up for an Amazon affiliate when I first started my channel in January 2019. I think I didn't use it. I canceled it. And then when I tried to sign up for it again a month ago, it wouldn't sign up and there was an error. I emailed them, they haven't emailed me back, and I haven't followed back up with them. So a reminder that I need to follow back up to get my Amazon affiliate link. And I'm not really one to like, hey, you should use my Amazon affiliate link. Though I've had a few recommendations from small YouTubers especially to get an Amazon affiliate link because they're like, hey, you might be surprised because people may actually use your link and you could make a little bit of money that way. So I'm working on it. And today, I'm introducing my cats. This is baby Olive. Not so much a baby anymore. We've had her for about a year or so. Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. This is one of her favorite sleeping spots, this cat tree. She's actually being really cuddly right now, and that's not so much like her. She's usually standoffish. But she's having a good nap. She likes to be rubbed on her neck area, neck/chin. And moving on to this guy. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. This is Waffles. We got him first. And Olive and Waffles are about the same age. They're right around a year. I think they were born in May. So we got him actually really, really young. We got Olive from the shelter, but we got Waffles from my brother's friend. And my brother's friend had a litter, and they were like, we have like 10 cats. I'm not sure if it was 10. I think it was like 6. And so we were like, okay, yeah, we'll pick up one. We want a pet. And so we picked him up, and he was a baby. He was really, really small. He was like 6 weeks. And I think at that point, you're not supposed to get them away from their mom yet, right? I think. But we ended up taking him, and he was super, super small. I'm going to put up some pictures right here. And he was a baby. And now he's like 16 pounds. He's really, really big. And something that we like to do is we like to take them out on walks. And we actually put leashes on them. They are indoor cats, so we don't like let them out and have them run around the neighborhood and then come back. we have them in the house the whole time. So we like to put harnesses on them, and then we take them out in our front yard 30 minutes every single day, and we walk them. So that's our little time together every day that we spend together. Let me give you some more action shots. Oh, baby. She's very, very cuddly right now. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Ollie, Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. Look, that's you in the camera. I love my cats. That's all I want to say. I never thought that I could love animals so much, but I do. I've always had dogs growing up, but they were like outside dogs, and so we didn't see them unless we were outside. But there's just something with having indoor cats and really taking care of them. And I've really seen them grow because they were babies, and then now they've gotten so big. Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. She's usually like kind of timid, which I'm not sure if this is her being timid right now. Where are you going? It's almost walk time, that's why. Oh, look who's coming. Come on, boy, boy. Boy, 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 boy. Boy, 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 boy. Boy, boy. Right here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's how he likes to lay. Look at that. I like big butts and I cannot lie. The other birds can't deny. He's got a big butt. Humble boy. Purring right now. Huh. That's you. In the camera screen. And last shot of the day. Let's get of Olive eating. So we actually have to put this pan right here and put water in it because there are ants. And yeah, it's to help keep the ants away. So okay, I won't bother her.